The Island TV, big up yourself. Scream record when me attack to mix up them. Yeah, Island TV, big up. Yeah, TikTok Patrol, big up yourself. Yeah, I like when you carry the real news them out there. Like the bands people them. Yeah, come here and talk about a story, you know. I don't know for the bands people them, you know. You know, so they text me down about, oh, me a spread propaganda upon them. Hey, dirty woman. Cause the boy tell you to call me, hey, dirty woman. What kind of propaganda news me a spread? Eh? Boy, them pitney, them tell me pitney say, for sign up for school bands, and when my daughter realize it was it no school bands. It was it no school bands. A Waterhouse bands. That me come say. And the handicapped football we go to school, we come tell the pitney them say at the school bands. I never was a school band, I was a Waterhouse bands. And this woman about shaka come for me, hey woman don't class up your blood clot here. I don't want to bring on the down on the media. Cause you wicked thanks. You wicked but me a spread. What kind of propaganda me a spread? More than me come talk the truth. You don't like when people talk the truth that me notice we don't know. You for do things and people for work with it. People never do things and people work justice to Paris. That must say I'm not stop saying. Can you take my penny off our school compound and bring my penny with your Waterhouse? My yard a ball for my blood clot pitney. 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, me see Paris come 8:30, me never forgot. As I reach Orange Street for go to Central Police Station, somebody call me and say Paris come. When I come up, I come back round and my yard and see Paris. Paris say, mommy, the man say him call. You know the dirty man do? The man have the phone there and go like him a talk to me. Paris give me number and him go like him a talk to me. I don't get a call. I don't get a call. Hear me, yes, mother. It's today's bands, you know. And I'm gonna bring Yashika with me. That Paris same day I tell the Paris I should believe him. Paris I should believe him. And them tell the dirty man no call me. Liar dirty man. Waterhouse dirty bands. You know, a wicked dirty man. And is a wicked Waterhouse bands. Waterhouse bands. Make me and take it to the court. You call me for tell me come meet me out of Central Police Station. Come out of Central. Out of Central if you come don't have my police paper already. Pass the person there, man. I feel like I'm run joke when you come out to my pity them. Pass my purse. Yeah. Me have my police paper, everything. Wicked, evil, dirty man. You know you not call me. And yeah, treat the little girl say you call me. Make me worry about my pitney. Me have different little pitney to go. Me have a little girl on a look clean. Should you go to? So my papers them. Me have my papers them. You feel like say. Me have my papers them. Dirty wicked rapper man. Me have my papers them. Cause I'm gonna make sure I go to Central the next day. I make sure I go there the next day. I go up at school. And up at school now give me the satisfaction. Cause I know the principal not call the man and make him come down at the school and make me and him have a word. I know she not call him. Vice principal, anything what she want be out of the school. I know she not call the boy. I make him come out of school and make me see him. And she said, this is the man that take away the children them. You know the principal said, them go as them own will. Watch me and no, yeah? See me have my papers them right there so I get out of the station. Me have my papers them when I get out of the station. Me have every receipt. Every receipt I have. Dirty Waterhouse bands. Bands man, rapper bands boy. Dirty bands boy, but I make people call my phone. Come make me go out of the station. That you for do. Come here, go to the station. Come on, one lock up your blood clot. You don't know, make me take it to the court. Whole one take it to the court. Cause you don't authorize this. It's not, me not authorize it. Me not authorize it. I tell my pitney say, me authorize say she for go. And you never call my phone. You never call my phone. Wicked rapper bands boy from Waterhouse. Go to the station, the police them say, so what them set up at the school? So what them set up at the school and police say, move go up a ministry. I just me never want to go up a ministry. Me never want to take it so far. Cause my daughter come back good. Alright, body not touch her, body not do nothing to her. I just slow it. I just slow it. I saw them kidnap people, picnic. Yeah! I kidnap that. That's why I go to the station. That is kidnap. Because them go up to the school, take the picnic up to the school compound, put them in a car, carry them to Waterhouse. We the parents now, they want my friend. I can't see Paris come here. I say, what is father God with Paris there? Then the Paris normally come home. Paris don't go nowhere when school over. If I even come home and then change and the Paris gone. But Paris that normally do this. When you have a picnic, you know where picnic them capable of. You know what they're capable of. I mean, I say, no man, this is not Paris style for go nowhere. Paris do a mad man. Paris know my head mad. So I think Paris I go and follow a friend, go home, and dead in a long time. You understand that Paris know me is a mad man. So I know Paris now go do that. And must see Paris say the bands man. He act like he might talk to me, cause I act like he talk to me, cause me not get no call. You not call me not get no call. Cause if you call me, wicked evil bands man from Waterhouse. Guys, we get 2 restrictions and I end the live and come back. I like the dirty bands man report me. Like the bands boy I report my page, guys. I end the live and come back. Boy can't walk good over, so the boy come at the principal office and I want to lick down the boy, you know. Want to give him a guy, you know. You hear that bands like when them beat the drum and them dance and blow the something burner. We are born bad man. That is a bands. When them beat the drum, I have the girl them a dance to the pom-pom like cheerleader and then blow the trumpet them. That is a bands, baby. Yes. So he go to the school because him have the links at the school. You see the boy where I work with him, the handicapped foot boy. Now you know why I bring him down because he's a wicked. Good. Because he's a wicked looking boy. You trick the pin them and tell the pin them say the bands is the school bands. And you know deep down is not the school bands. It's Waterhouse bands. The boy all print all flyers with the school name on it. I'm not getting a satisfaction, you know, guys. No satisfaction, I'm not getting a not whatsoever, you know. No, you know, I'm not get too tight, you know, boy. I take on my picnic, I carry my picnic, I take on my picnic, I shouldn't come back, you know. And you know where I'm just slow with talk or parry. Him know. I don't know what him name, Paris, I shouldn't know what him name.
Him just come from the block.
Him don't, because I'm come right to come tell the people him now. Me ain't chattings with a man there. I tell him to come here and him go to Central. Since I come here, I spread propaganda upon you. Come, I know him not come. I know him can't come. But the officer wait for him all long. Him tell say, yeah, I so come. I know him not come. The boy we go to school, the boy have a handicap foot, him can't walk good. Him foot not right in a local boy. That I the one who get the picnic them from the school. You understand? Home name Travis. Travis the people them same name. Thank you. Yeah. Travis, yes. Travis. I look a boy the name Travis. You look a boy you forgot prison. Cause he's a pedophile and the bandsman I told him to work. I tell you to say no. Just God see I know, you know. I not tell you, you know. God see I know. The birthday topic we not done for that yet. Me I talk about the bandsman. Cause them not stop calling on my phone and make people call on my phone. And them something that say me a spread propaganda upon him. That him a do me. Say me a spread propaganda. For come talk the truth, me a spread propaganda. Me not telling a lie. Me not telling any lie. Why the birthday we go and look who, you know. You know everywhere demons, everywhere me the demons them follow me up. And the band topic we are deal with now. Cause them a go like them want blighted my thing. And I say me a spread propaganda upon TikTok. True, when me that talk about it, the people them scream record it and it go viral. Come Paris, come talk now. Yes. They said I am spread, but me not spread no propaganda upon them. I talk the truth. It could have happened to anybody pitney. Anybody pitney could have happened to. And the Paris alone going on. And the Paris alone going on. Me have more pitney going on. Me have Gyal run a look clean, you know. Me have run a look clean can't go to, you know, make the little girl come talk, you know. Me have run a look clean too, you know, because Paris and a little girl there, you know. When me hear somebody say Paris and them Justin Paris and Gyal come out of car, but go up a Gyal yard. When me go up a Gyal yard, at up a local lane, Hassan and niece. When me go out there, I saw Hassan and everybody crying, the whole family crying too. It never was me alone. So when we go up there, me a ball and them a ball. Me a ball and that little girl that said a family, them a cry too. Cause the people them surprised.
Them let them not call nobody.
Come now, come talk, people say come talk. Come talk, and them say me a spread propaganda upon them. I want to know where me a spread propaganda upon them for. I know them from nowhere. Me not do bands. Cause I can't with a hot sun at thing, I not get no money. Come here, son of Paris.
I saw this one.
One piece of balling. Me a ball and that's set a family they a ball. Where? When I come talk about spread propaganda, me have the people up besides my witness. Paris. What you say at my Paris?
We dey at school and them time them in a 7th grade we dey at school. We see them come on the block and I ask who and join Trinity bands. So me write my name on paper now. One of my classmates write them name on the paper. Some more pick me write name on the paper. Them got every class them right. So when the day come now, they tell my mother.
She tell me, but when it come after a lot, about 3 months. What you tell me, like she tell me about January, and when it start now, about March, April.
So me did tell my mother now. So me get okay, yeah, forgot what she never, we never know say I know school bands. We think of the school band. So when we there now, them come for we gone. When they up there now, me I watch you me, them, you know, Shpal, we got river and they let we off there, so
yeah.
that time, they them go up in the lane. So me I wonder where we are going now. So when them bring me now, the man say, I call parents them now. Cause them did that, them claim for them that call our school and them never get to them, claim for them. So when we they up there now, them call parents, them claim to them call parents, them so them say, okay, so we start cheering now. When we come home, when we go home now, them no let we have for gate. Me wonder why them no let we have for gate. Them let we have for we up a public. Now I bring we down our gate, you know.
See them.
Let we have for public now. So we walk come down now. Me say, when we go in that house now, take a bag of going to my auntie now. My auntie say my mother look for me and ask me about where me I come from. So I tell them, so I say my auntie call my mother and tell my mother say, see me here. Then I see my mother I ball. See me under where my mother ball from, you know. She asked where me I come from. So I say, my uncle, she let you see the man call and tell her say, today we are got bands.
Yeah.
So she say, which bands? And then she said, who are you gonna tell her? She go on a Gyal, no, you go on everybody under the sun.
Mario see her for we want to see my little baby for Mario for.
Everybody a ball.
And so my daughter speak and she speak the truth. My daughter see my pitney here. She come tell me what upset me. You tell the little girl say you call me and you don't call me. And Paris says it and them don't let them off for the gate, you know. Them let them off way up a public. Way up a public, them let out the pin because them know what they have done. They know what they have done. Way up a public, them let out the pin. The Paris just start, then a Paris alone. And a Paris alone, tiny.